if you don't sell these three products, then you are losing a lot of money in dropshipping industry, okay? Because this is the summer season, so I have chosen three winning products, especially for seasonal products. So you must try these products. And before start this video, I want to share with you that information, very good information, that nobody cannot guarantee you that this is a winning product 100%. Just you have to try, and then if your content, if your marketing, everything is good, then you will get sales. So our first product is Frosty Fluff. So let's see the video first, okay? Okay, so POV, you love eating your ice, okay? So just see the video what is going right now. All right, okay. So you can see that this guy is using the Coca-Cola and he is mixing with ice, and then he is eating, okay? So it's the one kind of small blender to ice blender, and you can drink your ice with Coca-Cola or others drinks, okay, cold drinks. So we can see now we will go to the competitor store. So this will be the competitor store, okay. Wait, oh yeah, this is the competitor store. We will see. So this is the store that we can gather knowledge, and what we will do, we have to do everything better than him. We need to make a good product page, good marketing, good video, everything we need to very better than him, okay. You can see that this is a GIF or GIF, yes, okay. Also we will see the comments of the video. Wait, when we will find a product, we must see the comments, okay. If the comments is recently, like within 1 month, and people are saying that, engaging, like how much, okay, one person is commenting how much, yes, I like to eat ice, but I like it crunchy, okay, yes, hospitalized will forever. So you can see that this all comments is kind of sale comments of or conversion, okay, I mean purchasing comment, okay. So then you can choose this product. Our next product is, one moment. So our next product is also, this is a summer product. Right now next 3 months will be summer, June, July, August. That's why you should find, or you should choose also summer items. So you can see that ice your face glow all day, okay. This is a pot or plate to for ice, and then you can use it on your washroom, on your shower, on your every, like, to fresh your body, okay, on mind, okay. We can see the video again, okay. So the videos is good. We can get the inspiration, motivation, and the knowledge about the video. Then we will read the comment that a ball with ice does the exact same thing. You can just wash your face, yeah. My mom did this every morning when I was growing up. Over consumption, okay. Yeah, I will buy 2 more as gifts, okay. So you can see that all comments are almost purchasing comment, okay. So we will see the competitor store. This is the competitor store we will see, okay. Not much high converting design, very basic design, you can see. So what we will do, I hope you saw my other video or previous videos how you can make a high converting store, and next video I will show you exactly how you can make a high converting store, okay. So these products or stores gap is, you have to make better content and better high converting store, and video is almost same like him, but more good filming, okay. So we will go to the, so this is will be our next product. We can see the video first of all, okay. So this is a gaming product and toy product. You know that always it's very very viral. Okay, so now we will go to the computer store, and this is a kind of local store. I mean, not English language store. You can see this is the store. So what we will do, we will keep, I mean, it's a Spanish language store. Okay, so but we will target all worldwide countries. So that's why this has a chance to target all kinds of peoples in the world, and just make a good content. Okay, so thank you guys, this is the three products I have chosen, so you can also try. So thank you, and if you need any dropshipping help, just comment below or email me, I will help you. Okay, so this is will be our